The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is changing the game for home cooks and chefs everywhere. Imagine having the freedom to cook, reheat, and melt your way through any recipe without ever worrying about uneven heating or burnt offerings. This amazing induction cooktop packs 81 pre-programmed temperatures into one sleek and compact design, giving you the precision control you need to create perfect dishes every time. From delicate sauces that require a precise 100 degrees Fahrenheit temperature to searing steaks at an impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit, Flex has got you covered. And with its intuitive digital controls, you can make adjustments on the fly without ever having to start over. But what really sets the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction apart is its safety features. This cooktop has been rigorously tested to withstand even the most intense heat, and it's backed by a shatter-resistant ceramic glass that ensures no hot or cold spots for optimal cooking experience. Plus, with its automatic shut-off feature, you can rest assured that Flex will turn off when your set cook time is completed, reducing the risk of burns and fires. And let's talk about performance. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction boasts superior technology that brings the induction heating coils closer to your cookware than ever before, ensuring faster and more even heating. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing that every dish will turn out perfectly cooked and delicious. But what about when you're on the go? That's where this cooktop really shines. Weighing in at just 3 watts, Flex is the perfect companion for anyone who needs to cook while living in an RV or dorm room. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, and its energy-efficient design means you can cook without breaking the bank. One of the coolest things about the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction is how versatile it is. Want to melt chocolate? Simply set the temperature at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and let the magic happen. Need to make a delicate sauce like hollandaise or beurre blanc? No problem. Flex's precise temperature control means you can create restaurant-quality dishes with ease. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight one final feature that sets the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction apart from the rest. Its induction-ready cookware compatibility. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing cookware or buy new pieces specifically designed for use with Flex, it's easy to determine if your pots and pans are compatible. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Click the link below to check out this amazing product and start cooking like a pro today.